The 511 8-inch Tactite side zip boot combines durable 1200D Cordura nylon, a full-grain high-shine black leather, and breathable air mesh panels for a combination of warm weather comfort, lightweight performance, and a thoroughly professional appearance. This boot comes with a moisture-wicking antibacterial liner to keep your feet cool and dry in any environment. Side zippers provide quick on and off capability, minimizing prep time and eliminating lace management. This boot also comes with a hidden pocket for added tactical utility. Perforated EVA foam padding at the ankle collar and tongue provides support and comfort. This boot also comes with an Ortholite sock liner for an added layer of cushioning. The 8-inch Tactite side zip boot comes with an oil and slip resistant no squeak out sole to ensure traction and stealth. This boot comes with a fast rope tread to give you an edge during fast roping maneuvers. This is the 511 8-inch Tactite side zip boot.